Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
It's a report on expectations of Niger Deltans as President Muhammadu Buhari plans to inaugurate a new board for the Niger Delta Development Commission, Nddc.
Following completion of the Nddc forensic audit exercise and the subsequent transmission of its final reports to the presidency, there have been calls on President Muhammadu Buhari to appoint a substantive board to pilot the Commission's affairs for the common good of communities in the Niger Delta. However, some Niger Deltans have advised the government of President Buhari to refrain from inaugurating a regular board that is composed of politicians. One-time majority leader of the Cross River State House of Assembly, Honorable Cletus Obun, insists that the incoming board should comprise technocrats with the proven ability to implement recommendations of the Nddc forensic audit reports.
The forensic audit should become a template below which no other chairman or board should go. We must do a complete job, a forensic analysis of every aspect and every actor.
The Nddc was established through an Act of Parliament in 2000 to aid development and douse tension in the Niger Delta by designing and implementing projects and programs geared towards the transformation of largely backward communities in the region. As revealed in the Nddc forensic audit reports, the Commission was unable to effectively deliver on its mandate as over 13,000 projects it awarded over a period of 18 years had been abandoned. Comrade Dunamene Fineface looks forward to a board that would institute a paradigm shift by embracing a more innovative project management culture in the Nddc.
And the communities where these projects are going to be executed should be involved in that process for them to know that social roles, social projects in their communities have been awarded to so company at so amount. Now, if they fail to execute the contract, they should be held liable. If they can do this, it will help to making sure that contracts awarded by the Nddc is not abandoned.
Given the magnitude of abandoned Nddc projects over a period of 18 years, former president of the Isoko National Youth Assembly, Comrade Ovie Mwakpo, wants the incoming board to focus on the completion of existing projects rather than award new ones.
I don't think it will be appropriate or it will be wise for the incoming board to begin to initiate new projects. I think they need to look at the projects that have been awarded over the contract that have been awarded, the level of execution, and see the level, their viability too, and the impact that they will have on the people of the region.
In response to calls for reforms in the Nddc by several groups in the Niger Delta, President Buhari in October 2019 ordered a forensic audit of the Commission's activities from its inception in 2001 to September 2019. Upon receiving final reports of the forensic audit in September 2021, President Buhari had promised that it would serve as a template for Nddc operations going forward. Niger Deltans are optimistic, therefore, that the incoming board will be properly constituted and inaugurated to give the Nddc a new sense of direction to enable it deliver on its mandate as an intervention agency.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.